Welcome to Hands-on Administration with JIRA 7 tutorials. And I'm going to help you to improve and develop your skills of JIRA administration. My name is Strygul. I'm a software developer working in Telco, which is an Atlassian Platinum solution partner that creates different cool tools for agile teams. I'm also certified by Atlassian in JIRA administration and agile development with JIRA software. This course is divided into 4 different sections. The first section is called a deep dive in workflows. A deep dive because you are going to discover ins and outs of workflows in JIRA. You will learn about conditions, validators, post functions, how to create your own workflow, and what is active and not active workflows. In the second section, you will get familiar with different possibilities in JIRA to interact with email. You will learn how to configure outgoing and incoming mail services. You will discover what are mail handlers that will help you to create issues simply by sending an email to some mail service. In the section 3, we are going to have a look at the ways how you can move and archive individual projects and restore projects from backup. The first section, called Extending JIRA, will make you familiar with the possibilities that JIRA offers to extend its default functionality. In particular, we are going to look at Atlassian Marketplace and different plugins that help you to find a solution for your business problem. You will also get familiar with Issue Collector that allows to create issues outside of JIRA. I hope you're ready, so let's get started.